This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Spacious and well-maintained row home in desirable Ridgley's Delight. High ceilings, upstairs laundry, and Trex deck off rear. Backs to green grass. Huge unfinished basement for added storage. Fresh paint makes it shine. Quiet street with plenty of parking. Perfect for first-time home buyers or to add to rental portfolio. For more information, review the details below or contact at 301-977-4663.